This is the puppy with Addison's dress on.
So, Hannah, are you violent?
8-week-old puppy chihuahua. It's so teeny. Look at my hand compared to this thing.
Because it's so, like, not long
This pink stuff is her dress.
That's how tiny it is.
Yeah. And it's in this giant cat thing.
And it's in the smallest pocket. Besides that.
Pick her up so they can see how tiny.
And she's exhausted from all the attention.
Yeah. She hasn't been in her cage all day. Like, not all day.
Like, you'd never find, if this thing got away, you'd never find it. Like, it could, if,
It has puppy
I swear,
eyes.
if a car came rushing at it, it'd survive because it was so tiny.
Mm-hmm.
I know, it could survive. Like, if a car was rushing at it, it could, like,
Put her down on the carpet and see.
smart enough, because I heard that. Because
She
I
won't
heard
pee.
that they're really smart, and she like just ducks
She can
down.
barely walk. She limps. That's how tiny she is.
Well, yeah, it's because my dad
Pick her
stepped
up.
on her. Your dad stepped on her? Shh. Don't tell her.
Here's me, by the
Okay.
way.
Look how small she. Okay, look how small she is.
It was my dress. This was
Yeah.
a part of the dress that was on her.
Wait, look how
Yeah.
small she is compared to my leg.
That's how small she is. Put her against your face.
I'm 8, and she's the oldest here, Addison, the one with the costume. Let me see. And look
I'm
at,
8.
Wait,
Oh my god, you need to see her paws.
Wait,
Oh yeah,
don't-
look at these paws. They're the cutest ever.
I mean, if she scratched you, wouldn't even met. Like, I can barely.
Yeah, like I can.
Like, she could bite you and you wouldn't
Barely.
even mind because I don't even know if she has teeth. Does she have teeth?
Yeah, she has teeth.
Okay, film me.